So I am at Piazza 1909, and it's What's Cooking with this amazing Chef Stefano. And he is going to tell us a lot about what they're doing at Piazza 1909 in La Jolla on Fay Avenue. Tell us some stuff.
Quickly survive, but we smile and support the community. The community support us, so go through in this hard time all together.
And how is everybody doing in the family?
Family is good. Actually, more time for family. More time with the kid. It's not kid anymore. He's a big boy, but nice. The weather is something, San Diego is lucky compared to other spots. And just be safe. Stay home or walk, a little bit around your house.
And tell, I participated one day in one of your cooking shows, and you made a pear gorgonzola, and I made it. And then you also made puttanesca. So, and I made puttanesca. Now tell me, what does puttanesca mean?
Puttanesca is more ingredient altogether.
Does it mean angry?
Yeah, something like that is a two type of explanation. The idea you grab this core but rich flavor ingredient and you mix all together. So it's a quicker way for the mom or grandma to skip the tomato, put olive, caper, and it's a little bit too much man around the fennel, the tomato.
Okay, so it's got quite a story. So I want you to do some more of these classes because I want to make...
Let's do together. You come at the restaurant one day, and let's do something.
Yeah, but right now we're not allowed.
I know. You stay 8 feet from us. You stay outside.
You cook inside. You cook.
For sure.
You cook inside and yell carbonara. I want to learn how to make carbonara.
Carbonara.
Now, isn't that tricky with the egg and the?
It's very simple. The original, you don't use the white of the eggs.
Okay.
That is very important. So you add a little bit of water at the end, the same water you cook the pasta to leash all together. But
How do you do that? Show me that move. You cook the pasta. I like it.
When you cook, it's a little bit crispy oil sound. Your name? DoorDash? Yeah. Beautiful.
Okay, so are you DoorDash delivering? So you're doing lots of deliveries around La Jolla?
I do.
Awesome. And keeping safe and healthy?
Yes, ma'am.
Awesome. We're Facebook Live right now. So we're just supporting all of our small local businesses and giving love to our restaurants, for sure. Let's see. All right. Standing here outside Piazza 1909 in La Jolla, and getting ready to get takeout. It's What's Cooking. Hey, Annie, come and support Chef Stefano at 1909, Piazza 1909. You're his son, right?
His son, I'm Alberto.
Hello, we're on Facebook Live.
Hello.
Good. My hairdresser's wife, Annie, is saying she loves your restaurant and it's amazing.
Oh, excellent.
So we're picking up farro salad, I think, tonight, and pizzas, like a formaggio pizza. And I'm going to get your dad. No, I'm filming him too. I'm trying to get your dad to do another cooking show and teaching me how to make carbonara.
Okay.
I made his gorgonzola pear sauce on my It's What's Cooking show that I'm now weirdly doing, and I made his puttanesca. They came out really good.
Awesome.
Yeah. And tomorrow I am going to be making at 5:00 homemade macaroni and cheese for one of our clients' little girls who is like obsessed with cooking shows, and now she's watching mine. It's hilarious. So little Tinsley, I'm going to make mac and cheese, like 5 different cheeses, and we're going to deliver it to her. She doesn't know that part yet, but she might if she peeks at this. So, okay, not in a rush. We're a little early. Oh, this is your favorite, the best ravioli. Hey, Chris Spade. We're at Piazza 1909 in La Jolla, which is also, once we're allowed to open restaurants, is a great place for social distancing. They've got lots of outdoor patio space, so they're really, really good for all of our new dining experiences. And hi, guys. And we got DoorDash here, picking up orders. We have hand sanitizer out.
Almost ready.
Okay, I'm sure I was interrupting the chef as he was cooking.
And then are you here for the DoorDash? Yeah. Yeah, that'll be like 3-4 minutes. Yeah, no problem. Thank you. Yeah, get some music going.
Yeah,
Shut up on me.
play some Italian music, something fun. Hey, Patty Adams, Chris Spade, at Piazza 1909 in, I am at Piazza 1909. Where am I physically in this video right now? Let me show you. I will turn myself around. I'm right here. And I am sporting my mask, but no one's out here, so I'm okay. And it is a beautiful day in La Jolla. I have a ponytail because my hair is a hot mess. And tomorrow morning, I have to make it look better somehow. I'm not sure how. I'll have to have a fight with it at like 5 in the morning. Hey, Todd Armstrong. I am at Piazza 1909 in La Jolla, and we are showing support for our, where did I get this mask? Aha, I can hook you up to my mask maker. Jasmine Wooster, who is at Bellage, Chateau Bellage in Mission Hills. She can help make these masks for you. She made me a couple of them. Also, Gordana Gogo from Project Runway is doing crazy couture mask, all like wildly designed. I actually got one for Tirza and sent it to her. So yeah, these are really cool. So hey, Dr. Nazar, guess what? I'm right across the street from your place, La Jolla Cosmetic Laser Clinic. I'm at Piazza 1909, getting food to take out and supporting all of our small businesses. We miss you, Dr. Nazarin. We miss you so much. And let us know when you're opening. Hey, Rebecca, how are you guys doing? My It's What's Cooking is mobile today. It's What's Cooking supporting all of our small businesses. So last night we did takeout from Chef William, and that was up in Oceanside. And today we're in La Jolla. We're getting some, hi Scott, we're getting some of the fabulous Chef Stefano from Italy. He's from Milano, and he speaks with such a beautiful accent, and he's just whipping up the food. He also did a cooking class recently and taught how to make pear gorgonzola sauce, which I actually did replicate, as well as his puttanesca. Now, I was told puttanesca meant angry whore, but I think it's like a sassy, like angry type of gal, type of pasta. But Scott, thank you, my dear. I'm kind of trying to rock the hair in a ponytail right now. I'll be sitting on it pretty soon. It's going to be so long. Look at that. That's crazy. Crazy. So, Annie, I will hook you up to the mask making people, so you can order a bunch of masks for the Luxe Beauty Bar. We cannot wait for you to open. We miss all of our people, our family. Hey, Philip Fredrickson is watching. I can see him. He's in the car waiting for me. Hey, Philip Fredrickson. Ask him the limoncello. Oh, Annie, Philip and I made limoncello. We've made limoncello, kumquatcello, and orangecello. We have yet to bottle it, and it's ready. So we are going to be labeling it and giving it to people. COVID-19 limoncello and kumquatcello and orangecello. So I'm not going to make it very sweet either. I refuse to make it sweet. I think it gets really yucky. But I think I'll ask if I can get a shot of limoncello on the patio. Like maybe they can give me one. I'm not sure. I'll have to find out. So he's obviously the only one cooking right now, hence the reason he's not in here. Hang on, let me see if I can spy on him on the side door and show you a little bit of behind the scenes. I'm gonna put my mask on. And hey, how are you? We're on Facebook Live.
Stefano, very quiet.
Hey, how are you guys? Hi guys.
This is the man.
Woo! There he is. There he is. You've got a big audience now. All kinds of people are looking.
Hey, let's go.
This
Let's
is the
go.
man. This is. What are you cooking? Ooh, 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 ooh. This is one amazing, wild, and crazy, loving guy.
This guy is
And he gives so much to all of our charities and does so much for all of the different causes I've ever asked him to do. He always says yes. Our restaurants are not open in our hood, Rebecca. We are still doing only curbside and only, to-go stuff. It's really sad, especially as much as we love eating out and going out, right? Philip is like, wait, I'm coming in. Hey, I'm supposed to ask you guys about the limoncello.
limoncello.
Tell us about the lemon. I bottled some. I made it.
made your own?
I made limoncello, kumquatcello, and orangecello, all from our neighbor's trees.
Loquats. Can you make loquats?
I have loquats. What do we do with loquats? I have tons of it.
I've made jam before.
Did you?
Yeah, it's actually pretty good.
Are your trees just popping right now?
Yeah, we have giant.
Giant?
Yeah, with too much fruit to.
I don't even know. I made a loquat martini. I pureed and made a martini, and I made loquat. What's it called? Onion loquat. It's like onion savory. Like gosh, what would you call it?
I need to pick up
What's going
Loquats. I've got tons of them. We need to do something.
Naspulin. Loquats or Naspulin. Big tree.
Loquat?
Get it in
Oh, you have a loquat, Nespole?
Two of them.
Two?
I have two.
Oh, you have two? I
Can
have
we
a
make
gigantic.
Can we make loquat pasta?
I don't.
Oh, I made chutney.
Maybe with Nutella, cocoa, and spaghetti. Let's do something.
I think we should. So you're going to teach me how to make carbonara.
Carbonara, yeah, carbonara. Carbonara.
Are you one of the sons too?
Yes, I'm the youngest son.
Oh, you're the baby.
Yeah.
I married Beth.
Oh, nice.
I know your mom and dad for years. I know since Pacific Beach. I can deliver for you, Annie Benaroche. What would you like me to deliver?
I put you some fresh focaccia, eh?
Oh, fresh focaccia. We love you. We love you. So get this. Your dad, when he had... there's an Amber Alert.
The missing part is in your bag.
Oh, my word. Look at the focaccia. Beautiful. What was the restaurant? What was the restaurant in PB? Oh, look, they're just like, getting these orders. I'm totally disrupting them. I am the disruptor. What was the name of the restaurant in PB?
Cafe Bell'Italia.
Okay, so I met your dad at Cafe Bella Italia, and he taught me, he came out of the kitchen, he gave me a cookbook on how to make risotto, and he gave me risotto the day he met me. That was how I met him.
That sounds like him.
Yeah, and he said to me, this is what he said, you need to make love to your risotto, right? And he like stirred like a fake pot, right?
Yeah.
And boy, I used to make risotto all the time after I met your dad.
Yeah, we grew up on risotto and gnocchi. That was like our favorite.
Oh, man, how he makes a gnocchi, it's like magic.
It's so
Yeah,
good.
it's beautiful. I watched him make it with the potato and the beet. Yeah. You guys are eating some good food. I don't know how you stay so thin.
Dude, I don't either.
I'm like,
Honestly.
if I lived at your house, I would be like 700 pounds.
It's olive oil. Olive oil.
Oh, is that what it is? Okay. Annie, I've got loquats. Why don't you come to my house and safely pick them? I would love you to come and get the loquats. Hey, Tiffany. How are you? We're at Piazza 1909 on Fay Avenue in La Jolla. We are watching Stefano's boys, the youngest and the oldest, I believe, helping their papa. stirring up some goodness in the kitchen, and we're picking up. It's what's cooking. So we've got salads that have like all kinds of amazing ingredients in them, and 5 cheese pizza, some formaggio pizza. Look at Chef Stefano's specials. All right, is this me? Oh, that's okay. I don't want to leave. I want to stay here and hang out with you guys.
Show my dad would like that. Help him out.
I could get in the kitchen and start cooking.
Get you an acre.
Oh my gosh, that would be the best thing ever. Then I would really learn how to do stuff. Is this my stuff?
This is yours.
All right, my dear.
You
Oh.
want me to follow you?
Yeah, that would be awesome. Okay, everybody. Oh, I better hang up
By
on
the
this
way, I
thing.
love your orange vibe you've got going on.
Oh, thank you,
And your
thank you.
hair
Oh,
is
you've got an
beautiful.
orange hat. Thank you. Oh, my hair. Yeah, thank you for that. My hairdresser's wife is on the call as we speak.
Oh, nice.
I know. Okay, so I'm signing off, everybody. Thank you, thank you, thank you. That's It's What's Cooking for tonight. It's takeout and supporting all of our small businesses. So please remember to order. These guys are serving takeout Tuesday through Sunday. Piazza 1909 website. You can place your order. They've got a really awesome menu. Hi, Celeste. 1909, Piazza 1909. All right, guys. Remember to stay physically distant while staying socially connected.